Today I'm taking a look at the MUTUACTOR 500 amp welding grounding clamp. So there we go. That is the guy. 500 amps. That is going to be more than any of the welders that I'm going to be using. But what's really cool about this thing is that it just got this really nice strong magnet on here and then this pin in the center. So you can see it kind of springs up and down. And what that's going to be good for is if you need to put a ground on something, but you can't actually get that clamp on there. With this, as long as you got a surface, the magnet will stick to it and then the pin will make contact and then we just stick our ground to that pin. I also really like seeing that we have copper bonding on here all the way down to the stud. The stud itself is also copper, so that is awesome. And because this is a 90-pound magnet, you also need to have a little leverage so that you can pull this thing off whenever you're done. So for something like this, there we go. So where this can mostly come in handy is going to be for stuff like this. This is a dent repair tool. I can see the bolt on here is quite a bit smaller, but that's okay because we can adapt that. And the most important thing is that that lug is making contact with that copper. So now if we're working on a panel on a car, obviously there's no way to really grip that with a clamp. But with this, as long as we've got a little bit of bare metal or we scrape the paint off, we can stick this magnet to it and we're going to have a good ground. This is a small plate of metal, but it should still work just fine. Cool. So that does work. So yeah, if you're into dent repair work, this is the correct tool for the job. That is awesome.